Hey, happy virtual day. Today is the first day of 3 videos. What I want you to do today is make sure that you just do the minimum required work here. Tomorrow is a meat and potatoes day. So make sure you understand the difference between a binomial and geometric settings. All right, we're going back to that 16% of trees are independently infected. We're trying to figure out what's the probability of a randomly chosen tree would be the 5th tree would be diseased. If you noticed, for our binomial settings, fixed trials is not included in this one. So for B, let's figure out the probability that the 5th tree would be infected. So the first 4 times that we looked at a tree, it would be not infected. So it'd be 0.84 times 0.84 times 0.84 times 0.84 times the tree being infected, which would be 0.16. So the probability of our 5th tree being the one infected would be 0.07966. Now, for letter C, it says find the probability that the first yes, seeing the disease tree, will be on or before the 5th trial. What I need to do is I need to go ahead and do all the scenarios in which I'm going to have my first tree be the first tree I see disease, then the second, plus the third, plus the fourth, plus the 5th. And I get 0.5918. Okay? And then for letter E, it says find the probability that the first yes comes after the 5th trial. So I just take 1 minus my 0.5818. Remember, this time is called a geometric setting. It's when I don't have the number of trials, and my probability is when I get my first success. All right, let's do some clarification between the difference of a binomial setting and a geometric setting. So for A, in the binomial distribution, what does the random variable x represent? Well, in binomial, it represents the number of yeses or the number of successes we get in a fixed trial. So like the number of diseased trees we would find out of 30. B, the geometric distribution shares 3 of the 4 conditions. Which one's no longer present? That'd be fixed trials because we're trying to figure out which one is my first success. C, in the geometric distribution, what does the random variable x represent? It represents the trial number it takes to get our first yes. And for D, the binomial distribution of 2 parameters NP, how many parameters do you get in the geometric distribution? That would be 1. That would just be the P. So what I need to do is I need to figure out the difference between geometric and binomial when I'm looking at a problem, and then choose the right path forward. Again, am I looking for when I'm going to get my first yes, or how many yeses am I going to get?